Your phone is about to get a serious upgrade. Imagine having an AI assistant that writes your emails, edits your photos, organizes your day, translates languages instantly, and even helps you create stunning content, all for free. In today's video, we are diving deep into the 7 best AI apps you can download right now that will completely change the way you use your smartphone. And trust me, you're going to want to try number 6. It's like having a personal genius in your pocket. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech and Gadgets Reviews. If you love exploring the latest tech tools, apps, and gadgets that can make your life easier, smarter, and more productive, then you are in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future updates. All right, let's get into it. Here are the top 7 free AI apps for phones in 2025 that you should definitely try. 1. ChatGPT, OpenAI. First on our list is the legendary ChatGPT by OpenAI. You have probably heard of it, but if you haven't tried the mobile app yet, you're missing out. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that can answer your questions, draft emails, help with coding, write essays, generate creative ideas, and even roleplay as a personal coach. The free version is already powerful, but if you use GPT-4 Turbo, the experience gets even better. Why is it a must-have? Because it's like carrying a personal tutor, assistant, and brainstorming partner in your pocket. Whether you are a student, professional, or content creator, ChatGPT can save you hours of work every week. 2. Microsoft Copilot, formerly Bing AI. Next is Microsoft Copilot, previously known as Bing AI. This app combines search with conversational AI and is directly integrated with GPT-4. You can ask it to summarize long articles, create images with DALL-E, and even generate code snippets. One standout feature is how well it integrates with Microsoft Office tools like Word, Excel, and Outlook, making it perfect for productivity. If you want an AI that not only chats but also creates images, finds sources, and helps with office tasks, this is the one for you. 3. Perplexity AI. Third is Perplexity AI, the Google alternative that feels like having a research assistant in your pocket. Unlike normal search engines, Perplexity gives you clear, sourced answers instead of endless links. It's perfect for quick research, fact-checking, or learning something new. The best part? It provides citations for everything, so you know where the information comes from. For students, professionals, or anyone tired of scrolling through web pages, Perplexity is a game changer. 4. Grammarly Keyboard. Fourth is the Grammarly Keyboard, powered by AI. This app makes sure you never send a bad email or embarrassing text again. It doesn't just check spelling. It suggests tone improvements, clarity edits, and rewrites your sentences to sound more professional or casual depending on your choice. For professionals, marketers, and students, Grammarly is like having an editor in your pocket. If you want to look polished in every email, LinkedIn post, or text message, this is the AI you need. 5. Notion AI. If you are into productivity and note-taking, this is a must-have. Notion by itself is an amazing app for organizing tasks, projects, and ideas. But with AI, it becomes much smarter. It can summarize long notes, generate action items, brainstorm ideas, and even create content from scratch. Imagine attending a meeting and letting Notion AI write the summary for you automatically. It's like having a secretary who never sleeps. 6. Replika AI, your AI companion. This one is quite unique. It's an AI companion designed to talk to you about anything, from your day-to-day struggles to your dreams and goals. Replika learns from your conversations, adapting to your style, and can even simulate emotional intelligence. Many people use it for stress relief, practicing communication skills, or simply having someone to talk to. Think of it as a digital friend who's available 24/7. While it may not replace human connections, it's a surprisingly useful app for mental health, motivation, and practicing self-expression. 7. Otter.ai. And finally, number 7 is Otter AI. If you attend meetings, lectures, or interviews, this app is priceless. Otter uses AI to transcribe live conversations in real time, making it easy to keep accurate records. You can also highlight key points, create summaries, and share notes with your team. For students, journalists, or professionals in meetings, Otter saves hours of manual note-taking. It's like having a personal stenographer on your phone. So, to recap, ChatGPT, your all-in-one AI assistant. Microsoft Copilot, search plus productivity with AI. Perplexity AI, smart search with citations. Grammarly keyboard, perfect communication. Notion AI, productivity and organization boosted. Replika AI, your AI friend and companion. Otter.ai, transcription and meeting assistant. Each of these apps is free to use and can drastically improve your productivity, creativity, and overall smartphone experience. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these AI apps are you most excited to try? Or do you already use some of them? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech and Gadgets Reviews for more deep dives into the best apps, gadgets, and tech tools out there. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future of tech is already in your pocket. You just have to use it. See you in the next video.